Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have some more Valentine's Day embellishments to share with you guys. I have been posting them on Instagram, but I also want to do a video sharing with you guys what they look like, what I used. So let's get on with the video. I have a few more of these coming up soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. The first thing I want to show you guys is I made a card. I plan on making some more. I just made this one for now and I think it turned out so cute and it's super easy. I just did regular white 110-pound cardstock as the base, and then I matted it with another sheet of like pink just to give it the layering process. And then I put this cute little ephemera piece that you guys, well, I'm not sure if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I cut with my Cricut using the We Go Together collection by Pebbles. And then I put the cute little We Go Together like little ephemera piece layered on top of another pink piece, which I just cut a little bit bigger than the actual ephemera piece. As you can see, added a cute little heart stone, some googly eyes to them, and I think it turned out so cute. I need to get some more little envelopes, not envelopes, the plastic bags where I store my cards. Let me see if I can show you guys. I like to put my cards in here, but I ran out of these little bags, so I need to order some more on Amazon and package them away. They're so cute. So I made one card. I'm gonna make a few more. We will see. And then I made these cute little hearts, you guys, and they're made out of crepe paper. Is it crepe paper or yeah? The little party supply paper. And what I did was I made it like I was making a regular rosette. And then I put it through my, not my Cricut, what's that called? My Spellbinder's die cutting machine. And I used one of these dies, like this one right here, I think it is. And I love that it has the stitching on the back, like on the border. So I used one of these dies. This is from BB Crafts, I think. And then you guys, look how cute they turned out. I think it looks, I love how flat it makes it. And they look so cute. I laid on some glitter hearts. These were from Walmart last year. Let me see if I could bring them up higher. Look how cute they look, you guys. And then these little labels right here are from the Hello Love collection. And they're these cute little label stickers. And what I did was layered a piece of white cardstock in the back just to give it an extra like definition. And I think they turned out so cute. They all say Happy Valentine's Day. Look at that, you guys. And I love like how neat they look. That's, I think, my favorite part with the stitching and everything. So you guys can definitely do this. This is super easy, you guys. You just basically make a rosette as if you were making a regular round one. And then you put your metal die right in the middle. And then you get these beauties and you decorate them as you wish. So cute, so quick. And you can put them in some Happy Mail. And then the last ones, you guys, are my favorite. And these are some cute little London booths. These little booths are from the Cricut design team, not design team, Cricut design store. I got them from my friend Teresa. So cute. And I decided to make it red and white. And then these little girls right here, this little girl right here, they are from the Planner Society Valentine's Day girls. She sells them on Etsy. How cute. I thought, when I saw them, I thought they would look perfect with these little London phone booths. So what I did was I added a little, I put the pieces together. You get a few pieces from the cut from Cricut. And then I just used the white one over here, which is with the windows, and then the little piece on the top, because there is like another piece over here or something, I think. But I didn't use that piece. And then what I did was I used red and white for Valentine's Day. I put the little girl right here on the edge holding her little flowers. These little word stickers are from Michael's last year. They look like this. And then these little puffy hearts I think were from Dollar Tree last year as well. Just a little something. These little bows are from AliExpress. But look, you guys, they turned out so cute. I put some little gemstones on the top. They're all different. We have like the redhead, the blonde, the brunette, and then the one with, I think, oh, I did 2 brunettes. There's one with black hair as well. And then I added like some glossy accents to the shirt. I don't know if you can see that or pick it up, but look at that. You see that? So cute, you guys. Super easy to make. Look at that. I'm gonna see if I put the SVG down below so you guys can definitely check it out. But yeah, you guys, those are some more Valentine's Day embellishment ideas. Definitely try them out, share them with some pals. I'm sure they will love them. I'm currently working on making some Polaroid shaker frames. Don't like the way these turned out, so we're gonna have to try that again. But stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.